In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backlog in ClickUp. A backlog is simply a prioritized list of work items you haven't started yet. It keeps your team aligned, helps you plan sprints, and ensures nothing important slips through the cracks. We'll build it quickly using a ready-made template so you can skip the setup and focus on the work. Start by logging into ClickUp and make sure you're in the correct workspace. If you're part of multiple teams, double-check the workspace name at the top so the backlog lands in the right place. Next, look to the left sidebar and click the space where you want your backlog to live. Your backlog is most useful when it sits in the same space as the rest of your project work, so pick the space your team already uses for tasks and planning. Open that Spaces menu by clicking the three dots next to its name. This menu holds all the space level tools and settings you'll need. From here, choose Templates. Templates are the fastest way to spin up a consistent workflow with statuses, views, and fields already in place. Click Browse Templates to open the Template Center. This is where you can search and preview pre-built solutions without creating anything from scratch. Use the search bar and type backlog. You'll see several options created for different use cases like product backlogs or simple task queues. Previewing a template is helpful to check the included statuses, fields such as priority or effort, and any starter views. Pick the one that matches how your team works. When you've found a good fit, click Use Template. This opens the import settings where you'll confirm how the template is applied. You'll usually see options to include statuses, views, and custom fields. If you're unsure, the defaults are a safe starting point and you can refine later. Click Use Template again to confirm and apply it to your selected space. ClickUp will create the backlog list for you, complete with statuses and any pre-configured columns. In a moment, you'll see the new backlog list appear in your space's hierarchy. From here, you can start adding tasks, drag to reorder by priority, and adjust statuses as work progresses. If the template includes fields like priority or story points, fill them in to improve sorting and reporting. You can also rename the list to match your team's naming conventions and hide any fields you don't need to keep the view clean. As your process matures, consider saving your customized backlog as your own template so future projects start with the same structure. That's it, your backlog is ready. Keep it updated regularly, review it with your team, and let it guide your planning.